Today I got something a little special for you guys. It's called a timer. It's the most basic boy timer that you can make, but it comes in handy. Stick around till the end and I'll show you some cool tips and tricks that you can do with it. So the first thing you need to do is include this time manager in your file. Okay, so for today's example, we're gonna make our character disappear after a few seconds. And so you need to make a timer handle in order for that to happen. And what a timer handle is pretty much the name of the timer. So it's simple as that, just call it whatever. And then obviously you'll have your function that will trigger when the timer finishes. So I don't have any parameters in mind. If you want parameters in your function, then you'll need to use a timer delegate. And I'll actually show you guys how to do a simple one at the end of the video. Okay, so I'm just going to do this in begin play. That's normally where you want to put these. So we'll do get world. You can also do this from like actors and stuff, but then you do get timer manager, and this is the thing that manages your timers. And then we'll do set timer. And then this has a few different ways you can set that timer. We're going to do the basic one that doesn't take a delegate. So we'll do vanish timer handle, and then like the rate. That's how long it'll take before your function triggers. Hold up, wait a minute. Okay, so I think we want this one. Yeah, so the handle, the function, how long it takes before the function is triggered, and then if it's looping, you can start add a delay, but you don't have to. They have a default value -1, but you can have a delay if you want. What was it called? Vanish. Comma. We'll do 5 seconds. Loop. And we'll do false. I think that needs this. Oh, why is this never working the first time? I forgot. Hold up. Okay. Yeah, I was using the wrong one. So you need the handle and then the object to call the timer function on. So we put this, the function, and don't forget that address of symbol, the rate, and then if it's looping. So we got it. Okay, that should work. We'll go ahead and build. Okay, so if we play, there's my character, and then wait a few seconds and he's dead. I'll even zoom out and show you guys he is not there. Alright guys, that's how you make your little basic boy timer. Alright, let me show you guys some extra cool, really cool extra stuff. Okay, so remember how I said the timer can loop? The earlier function wasn't really a good example to show it looping, but I have it so it just loops this print statement. So let me show you guys that real quick. Let me change this to 1 second. So it's printing ow every 1 second. Cool. So if you ever want to clear a timer from looping or just like have it go back to default state, you can use this get world, get timer manager to do that again, and then this time hit clear timer and put your timer handle in there, and then now clear it, and I have that binded to my space key, so whenever I use my start flame ability, which is my space key ability, then it will clear that timer. Okay, just to show you guys again, it's printing. Then if I hit the space key, then it stops the timer. Yeah, you can use the timer manager to get the remaining time, and you can put that in a print statement like this. Use this to get a float value, and then get timer remaining will return a float value, and then put your timer handle in there. I put this in the tick as well, so it show how many seconds every frame, which is a lot, but yeah, let me show you real quick. So yeah, there it goes. It's counting down. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to show you guys are how to do a timer delegate. I told you I'd show you, so I'm going to show you. So first, make a timer delegate. You got timer delegate, timer delegate. Okay, let me explain kind of what's going on here real quick. So the main reason why I use the timer delegate, because you can slap a function with parameters on top of it. So when the delegate is called, it'll call this function as well. So it's the same function as before, vanish, but you can choose what's vanishing. So I added this parameter, just an actor, and then it'll destroy that actor, make it disappear or vanish. So I have it spawning in the world, and then I bind the vanish function to the delegate I declared right here. So you do timer delegate bind function, so that binds the function, this function right here, to vanish. You need to do this, so it needs a reference to whatever object is using this function. The object is this character, so this. And then you got to use fname and then the name of the function in quotation marks, and then this is the parameter. So that would be the dead actor, and item is this right here, the actor that I spawned into the world a second ago, or the line before. And then it's pretty simple after that. You can call set timer again, but instead of doing the object and all that and putting a function, you just do the handle, the delegate, the seconds, and then the bool at the end. It's important that the function that you end up calling that attaches to the delegate is a U function. Otherwise, the game will crash, which I just remembered, and I crashed my game 3 times before remembering to do that. But yeah, let me show you guys real quick. So there's nothing in the world, and it's gonna spawn a watermelon, and then it's gonna disappear in 5 seconds, and it's gone. And that's how the delegate works. Alright guys, thank you, and let me know if you have any questions. Subscribe for more Unreal content, and like the video if you liked it or if I helped you out, and if you don't want any of that, don't do nothing. Alright, thank you guys, bye bye.